Welcome to today's video on organizational behavior, a field that explains how people think, feel, and act inside an organization, and how these actions shape business success. Organizational behavior, or OB, is the study of how individuals, groups, and the overall organization behave. It helps managers understand people so they can motivate employees, improve teamwork, and create a productive work environment. Companies like Microsoft regularly study employee behavior to redesign workspaces that improve productivity. Understanding OB helps businesses run smoothly. It improves teamwork, boosts productivity, builds stronger leadership, increases job satisfaction, and reduces workplace conflict. OB is studied at 3 levels: individual behavior, group behavior, and the organization as a whole. Let's explore each one with simple examples. Individual behavior focuses on how personality, attitude, motivation, and perception influence performance. For example, at Amazon, a highly motivated warehouse worker completes more orders, while an unmotivated worker slows down the workflow. Motivation determines how much effort an employee puts into their job. For example, sales teams at Coca-Cola perform better when they are offered bonuses, recognition, or growth opportunities. People bring unique personalities and attitudes to the workplace. For example, at Google, creative personalities thrive in open, flexible workspaces, while detail-oriented employees prefer structured tasks like coding or testing. Group behavior focuses on how people work together in teams. For example, at Apple, strong cross-functional teamwork between engineers, designers, and marketers results in successful product launches. Leadership style directly affects performance. For example, at Starbucks, supportive leadership encourages employees, baristas, to deliver friendly customer service, improving customer satisfaction. Not all conflict is bad. Healthy debate can improve ideas, but personal conflict destroys productivity. For example, at Nike, creative teams often debate design ideas, which leads to stronger final products. But personal conflicts between employees slow progress. At the system level, OB studies how the organization's culture, structure, and rules impact employee behavior. For example, Walmart's strict structure ensures efficiency, while Spotify's flexible structure boosts innovation. Culture shapes employee behavior. For example, Netflix encourages freedom and responsibility, leading employees to innovate without waiting for approvals. Structure defines who reports to whom, and affects communication and speed. For example, in flat structure, startups like Airbnb make quick decisions. In hierarchical structure, banks and government departments move slower but maintain control. Whereas in matrix structure, companies like IBM use dual reporting to manage global projects. A manager who understands OB can hire better people, motivate employees properly, reduce turnover, and build high-performing teams. To summarize, organizational behavior shows one simple truth: people shape business results. The better a manager understands people, the stronger the business becomes. Thank you for watching. For more business and management lessons, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.